Good night.
Cut.
Alright, so I just left Stevie's. It's like 2 a.m. now. Now I'm heading to Tennessee. And I'm picking up a very essential part. Any guesses? Alright, just had my first stop. About halfway there. And I'm super tired. But I picked up a coffee, so I'll be able to stay awake. So Richard is the guy I'm meeting up with, and we're meeting at a Cars and Coffee, which is kind of funny because I've never brought this Integra to a car meet before. This is definitely the coolest car I've seen in a long time. It's not every day that there's an R31 Skyline Wagon in front of you. So cool. But anyways, leaving the car meet, we're gonna actually stop at a drift event. So that'll be fun. We'll see who's there. Hopefully I can meet some more new people. And yeah. This place is unreal. It looks like a, I don't even know, like a dream drift shop setup. Man, I really miss my car. Tony, let's go for a ride. All right, now we're dropping off drift cars. Dude, it's nice. I've never seen so many wagons. But wait, there's more. Dude, this is like a 401k right here.
Yeah, it is. It really is.
Dude, this thing looks sick.
You had this car. Well, you had this car for about 2 years. My bad. Yo, Mike, you want a taco? 80 grit taco, dog.
80 grit taco. Oh my gosh, I am exhausted. I've been awake for I don't even know how long. And Jared offered to let me stay at his house tonight to sleep. Thank God. And it's funny because I didn't even get the part yet. We'll get that tomorrow, but I didn't know any of them at the beginning of the day. This is like so wholesome. Like, that's literally the car community coming together. Well, that was a much needed night of sleep. Thank you so much, Jared, for letting me stay at your place. Kind of sounds like I lost my voice. Probably just from waking up. So now we're gonna have some breakfast and then I'm finally gonna pick up the part that I came here for. Jared also gave me this really cool shirt. On the back it has his all-wheel drive EF wagon on it. Super cool dude, super nice place. Definitely want to come back. I don't want to go back to Illinois. All right, we're pulling up to Richard's house. It looks like he already has the firewall outside. He told me he washed it off too because there were spiders on it. Like, how nice. He washed a firewall. That's so nice. What the heck? Dude, do you think this is gonna fit in there?
I have no idea. The dude with the CRV?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we thought it was gonna fit, but unfortunately we're gonna start by taking the door off. We're also gonna take out the center console while we're here. Just in case.
You're a Jeep guy now.
Jeep life.
Yeah. Maybe we should have took the other one off.
All right, so we didn't think this through enough. We think it might make more sense to take this door off instead and like try and fish it around this way. Or maybe I can just do a quick right-hand drive conversion. Just kidding. All right, welcome back to our race Integra. We have just shaved 100 pounds off of this car. All right, let's try and fit this now.
We're close. No, frame rail. It's not having it. We're in your sound deadening. And in your roof now.
All right, well, we tried and it does not fit like this. So we're gonna start trimming off the pieces that I don't need on the firewall, such as the frame rails. That's crazy. Let's try it like this now. Oh yeah, look at that.
One hour later.
Oh, we're money now.
We're in. It's in.
What about, do you think we can flip it like down now?
Yeah, let's try that.
That way it gets. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we're looking good now. That is looking good.
I didn't think it was gonna work.
Dude.
I was like, there's no way.
I like this. I like that.
I mean, now you have a new armrest.
What the heck? I was starting to get worried. I did not think it was gonna fit. Look at all this room for activities still. Look at this whole seat.
You could get more stuff on the way back.
True.
Stallman?
I was gonna pick up a fender. I guess now that won't be an issue. Just slide it right here. There's a whole firewall in here. What the heck?
Hey, I think I have a fender.
Really?
I don't remember if it's driver or passenger side though.
I need both. So either one.
I did have one.
Really?
And it's white.
Dude, it's already white?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Minty.
This thing is fresh.
Clean.
What do you want for it?
You just have it, homie.
Dude, what?
Yeah.
This thing is perfect.
Drove this far just for a firewall. You can have a fender. I'm a Silvia front guy anyways.
Silvia or die?
Yeah. Gang.
Hell yeah. Silvia gang and pop-up gang.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, dude.
Yeah, no problem, homie.
Well, this vendor will be back to visit once the car's done. So then I can get pictures with that car.
We'll just put it up here.
Nice. Here you go. Runs on hopes and dreams.
Awesome.
So when we took the door off, we marked red along the seam of the door hinge and then also on the body. That way when we're putting it on, it's way easier to align. There you go. Not bad. Can't believe that all fit. What the heck? Thanks for your help, Rich.
Yeah, man. Anytime.
Yo, you got that Integra, right?
Yeah.
The JDM front?
Yeah.
Oh, dog, check this out. I got this hood, man. I got it, and it's been sitting, and I just really want you to have it, man. You prison Mike?
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
Dude.
Give it to me. Dab me up. Yeah, man, I'm a huge fan, and this is least I could do. You think it'll fit?
Yo, we're doing some hood rat shit.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna miss my earthquake looking paint job. Looks like an S14 now. Turn the daily into a race car. Part 1000.
Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
So Richard's gonna keep my metal hood for now. It's gonna sit right here under his poster of all of his previous cars. Which is pretty cool. I think I want to make a poster like that. But now we were just talking and we hear people say that they put the JDM Integra lip on the aero bumper on a Silvia. I've never seen it in person and we are really curious to see how it looks. So we're like, all right, let's just try it out.
You want me to roll the windows down?
Man, the mounts got so rusty, they're just spinning around. It looks so bad without a lip. It looks like a basic ass Accord. Oh, it lines up so far. It looks too big on the edges.
Yeah.
Although in the center, it looks so cool.
It does. It looks really good.
But like right on the corners, it looks too wide.
It's kind of like the Bomex one, but just the Bomex one goes all the way through.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Ah, hopefully it works if I take the shift knob off. I'm gonna get greasy. Custom. Dude, this park is so fun. Thank you so much for filming, dude.
Anytime, man. I'm glad we could make it out.
Oh, the chooches.
All right, well, Richard's letting me drive his Silvia,
Very excited.
so we're gonna let her rip. was so fun. I haven't driven a S chassis in a while, so thanks a lot, man.
You're welcome. SR is God's motor. I don't care what people say.
SR is good, but RB is gooder.
He ate the Subway tuna.
All right, now I'm heading to Knoxville to pick up a fender. So everyone that I met this weekend, I've never met in person. Thank you guys for being so awesome and just welcoming me into your community. I hope to see you guys soon. I met up with Aaron, and he gave me a left-hand drive, driver's side fender. While we were there just talking at his garage, one of his friends mentioned that he had bumper support brackets, which I also need. So then we left Aaron's house and went to his friend's house and then got those parts. And then after I picked up those parts, said my goodbyes, and started heading back home. My shift knob is holding up very nicely. If you're wondering why I put the water bottle on it, there was like anti-seize or grease or something on the threads, and I didn't want it all over my hands. Nothing like a welcome back to Illinois with all this snow. It's not much snow, but it's all right. Summer's coming soon. Another 30 miles to the gallon on that fill up, and we're only an hour and a half away from home, so we're almost there. And everything's holding up nicely. Got this nice armrest here, and the shift knob is still holding up. Well, I made it back home with absolutely no issues. Now we're back in the Rust Belt and we got all the salt on the car again. It's pretty cool that a car with almost 300,000 miles and almost 25 years old gets 30 miles to the gallon on a $200 junkyard motor. So yeah, I really have no complaints. That was a really crazy weekend. Oh my gosh.